It's not yet
Hello,
5 o'clock.
everyone.
Not
Hello,
yet.
everyone.
1 minute more. 1 minute we will start. Can you see if we already have some people, Anaïs, or not?
Yes. People are entering to the
Okay, so
webinar.
good afternoon, good morning, good evening. We have people from Mexico, from United States, from UK, from France. Bonjour, bonjour les Français. We have also people from Namibia. Yeah. So thank you very much to everybody to join us. We are starting in 1 minute. Just waiting for the last people to this presentation. Everybody is ready. Pascal, are you ready? Anaïs, Guillaume?
Ready.
Perfect.
Ready to?
Okay, so
Ready,
let's go.
let's go.
Good. So I am Matthias. I am the CEO of Horse Dental Equipment. Thank you very much to join us. Let me introduce you Anaïs, who is our marketing manager. Pascal, who is our sales European manager, and Guillaume, our technical manager. So thank you very much to be here at the first web product presentation of HDE. 1 year ago, before COVID, when we want to present or introduce a product, we are visiting distributor, or we are meeting you at the congresses, at the wet lab. But last year, the world changed, so we have also to change and to adapt. So this is why we decided to organize this web project presentation. This is the first one, but we are very happy. We already have 50 people from everywhere in the world, so that's very, very good. And that's also a way for us to keep the contact with you. So that's very important for us. Let me explain you how we will organize this presentation. I will start with a short presentation of Horse Dental Equipment for the people who don't know our company. After, Pascal will make a product presentation, and Guillaume will make a live presentation of the camera. If you have any question, you can ask on the right question and answer, just on the bottom here. So just ask, and Pascal will answer you, or Guillaume will answer to your question. And at the end, Anaïs will have the pleasure to organize a raffle for a 1 year free trial. No, 1 month free trial, sorry. So this is at the end, Anaïs who will do it. Okay, let's go. Let's start. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Good. So a short presentation of Horse Dental Equipment. We are your partner in equine dentistry since 2004. So just a moment. The company, we are located in France, in Châteaubourg, where we are now. And HDE France is selling all the HDE product in Europe and overseas. And we have also a company based in the US, in Houston. And HDE North America is in charge about the sales, the distribution, and the services in America, from Canada until Argentina. So the majority of our product are products that we develop in the company. Our specialty was power instrument, This is the beginning of HDE. We can see here the FlexiDisc, but step by step we enlarge our range of products, and we also include in our range Pegasus range, instrument designed by Dr. Franz Schellenberger, made in Germany, and we have the pleasure to be the worldwide exclusive distributor. We have product, but also we have services, because we consider that a good product is not enough. So this is why we offer you services of free trial, of warranty, and also loan equipment when you need to repair your product. To repair your product and for the maintenance, also it was very important for us to be near you. So this is why we have 14 technical centers all over the world. And that's also the project for the next year, to develop more in order to reduce the time of repair, and in order to give you the possibility to develop your practice. We are in 90 countries. We have 30 distributors, our partner, who are very important, and we consider them this partner in the HDE team. Without this distributor, HDE will not be the company that we are today. So perhaps we have some distributor at this presentation. Thank you very much for the very good job that you are doing. Just some news. We are very proud about our new website. Thank you very much, Anaïs. All the team was waiting for this new website. The distributor also, we have it. So please visit our website. You will find all the information about the product. And if you have some improvement, they will be welcome. So please contact us if you see something to improve. Also, it's not new because we start last year. Also after the COVID, we already organized 23 webinars. We already had more than 3,000 people who participated to this webinar. And we will have, the last one was Dr. Tillman last month. And we will have one in May, I think, but Anaïs will tell us after the program of the next webinars. And this is the sales team of HDE, Remy for America, Pascal for Europe, and Magali for overseas. That's it. This is a short presentation of HDE, and if you have any question, please contact HDE sales team. They will be very happy to give you all the information that you need. Thank you. I have done my job. Now, Pascal, it's your turn.
Thank you. Thank you, Matthias. So I'm going to share my screen with you now, and I'm going to introduce you the Dentalscope. So can everybody see my screen now?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So here we go for the Dentalscope. So what are the...
Pascal, just yes? A little blue, so that's okay now.
Yeah. So what are the benefits for the practitioners? As you know, equine dentistry is developing more and more. And people are really requiring a very precise diagnosis, and this is why we are very much confident that the Equine Dentalscope is going to be one of the tools of future equine dentistry. And because it is very important, so first point, to have this clear and precise diagnosis as a professional practitioner for equine dentistry. It will as well allow better patient follow-up, because as Guillaume is going to explain you after my presentation, you are able to record pictures and videos. It is as well an additional service and value to the act of equine dentistry, and this is very important in order to not fight so much about the price, but about the quality of the act of equine dentistry. And last and not least of the points, it is as well developing horse owners' understanding, because as I often say, seeing is believing. So whenever people see what has to be done or what has been done, it is really very important to be able to convince the horse owners about the purpose of this dental scope. So as for all the products that HDE has been introducing as HDE or has been distributing, like the Pegasus, the Equine Dentalscope is really a quality, and this was very important for us when we developed this product. So point number one, it is made in Germany, so it is really a high quality dental scope, and which has, and I will get back to this a bit later, but you have 3 possibilities of monitoring what you are seeing and capturing with the Equine Dentalscope. So either by TV screen or by, let's say, any video screen that you would have. The second is an option of a wireless USB connection, which is working with phones, tablets, and computers. And the third option, which is a wireless screen. So you will see we have 3 sets that we are offering. So the Dentalscope is quite compact. It's 700 millimeters about in length, and it is very sturdy, and with a tiny dimension of the head, and as well the beam, I mean the angle of the view is right on the teeth. And of course the head has been designed in order not to be able to damage the horse's mouth with the Dentalscope. The camera. So second very important point, the resolution. I mean, it is important, of course, to have something to look inside the horse's mouth, but as well, the quality of the image is very important. And you will see this in the presentation that Guillaume is going to make after my presentation, is that the quality of the image is very, very good. And this was very important when we developed this product. So these are the different quality ratios regarding the quality of the image. So very good image, and as well the lighting, which is, it's very bright. So again, this reinforces the quality of the image. And as well important when you're working and looking inside the horse's mouth, the autonomy. So the system has 1 hour battery life. Okay, so as I mentioned to you earlier, there are 3 sets available. So the starter set includes the Dentalscope, of course, the charger in order to be able to charge it, the video cable, as I said, the video cable which you connect from the bottom of the Dentalscope to any video screen which has a video connection, which is the item marked number 3, and this of course comes into a nice storage case. The second option, which is the same set, which includes this USB connector, and this USB connects via radio frequency through this USB key with the Dentalscope, and which allows you, once you have downloaded the special software, the software is actually delivered with the key. So with the USB key, you have the software, which you will see is extremely simple to install, either on the smartphone, tablet, computer. Okay, and you have, in case you have as well the possibility to download it if you want. Okay, and as I said before, this dedicated software allows you to take pictures and to record videos. So this again, with the purpose of giving you the possibility to really have this better patient follow-up and horse by horse to have a complete history, video and pictures. Okay. Important as well is that it works, as I said, on phones, tablets, and computers. Not with Apple. It's not compatible with Apple. This is as well important to mention. The third option is this set, so the Dentalscope with a wireless monitor. So this monitor is a 10-inch monitor, and you have as well, it is delivered with an SD card, which you insert on the right-hand side of this monitor. You have the charger as well and the storage case. And on the screen, you are able to take pictures right from the screen. So from the screen, you can take pictures and record videos, watch the videos, watch the pictures, delete the pictures. Actually, you're organizing your recordings as you want. So this is again a set options overview. So again, 3 sets. So it goes from the most basic to the most complete. So the starter set again, Dentalscope, charger, video cable to be able to connect it to any video screen that you want, and the storage case. The second one with that USB key you will see, which connects via radio frequency between the USB connector and the Dentalscope, and the third set, which includes this wireless monitor. Okay, so again, the features, so plug and play, it's really, you will see the demonstration by Guillaume, extremely easy to use. It's very light, that's very important, but still very sturdy. So very sturdy, you will see it's very, it's really good quality. Wireless options, of course, in the 2 last options, the USB key and the screen, it is fully wireless. You can take pictures and videos with those 2 options, and 1 hour battery life of the Dentalscope. And as for any HDE product, there is of course an after-sales service. So as Matthias said, we have 14 technical centers around the world, and of course 1 year guarantee on the product. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen, and I'm going to pass on to Guillaume. So Guillaume is going to make you a presentation of the product. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask your questions in the Q&A section, and I will read those questions out to Guillaume. Okay? So Guillaume, we're all ears.
Thank you, Pascal. So now it's my turn. Can you hear me? Okay, good. So let's start. So this is the Dentalscope. Okay, you can see the shape. Pascal show you round shape on top. 1 camera plus 2 LEDs for lighting. Really easy, only 1 piece. With the handling, with the direct button, green button, just push on top, turn on, the lights turn on. That's it. You don't need to do more than this to start the Dentalscope. So the first set, the first proposal is with the cable. Okay, with this cable you have 2 fittings. The first one has to be plugged on the bottom part of the Dentalscope. So you have 2 pins over there. One is for the charging, the second one is for this pin. Just have to insert, and that's it. The other one is AVE pin to plug directly on the screen on the monitor. So if you have a TV at your office, you don't need more than this. So the cable is 2-meter length, and you just have to put it on the screen. Let me show you on a monitor. I have over there a monitor with a AV video. Just have to plug in. That's it. So this is the first option. The second one is the option with the USB key. So this USB key is a special USB. You just have to plug it on your laptop, computer, tablet, or phone. Inside, there is some electronics to give information to link with the Dentalscope. On the bottom of the Dentalscope, you have a radio frequency transmitter. This is the receiver, this is the transmitter. So you have a direct link between both equipments. So first, regarding the computer, you just have to plug it directly on a USB socket. Then with dedicated software that HDE supply, you just have to begin the soft. So I will share my screen so you will see. Okay, so you may see a black screen. I just plug on the green button, and you see after a few seconds, you have the images, okay, directly. I put it in the mouse. So I have a skull on my office, and you could see direct in live the surface of the tooth. The quality is not very good because this is due to the internet and due to the light. It's just a skull. It's not a horse head. I have not, I don't have any horse in my office, but you see the quality is quite good. And one important thing to understand is that there is no delay between what you see and what I show. It's direct, okay? So this is the first option with the USB. So you can see the occlusal surfaces, and you could also, if you have a hole, you could see directly the one advantage of the system is that you don't need to make any focus. Okay, the camera made the focus automatically. Okay, so stop this live. I take another system. I keep this USB key to connect to the tablet or to the smartphone. You cannot plug directly the USB. You need to have an adapter or a converter. So we deliver with the equipment 2 types of connector. One is for USB-B, okay, special shape, and for, I could say, all smartphone or all devices, and also an USB-C for the new generation of electronic devices. I just need to plug the USB inside the converter, okay. I take a smartphone working with Android system only. You can't work with iOS, it's not working. So with your Android phone, you have to plug the other extremity, okay. Then I need to launch a software. We could supply also the software, but it's you can find it on Android platforms, no problem. So let's push on the green button, and the same, waiting few seconds, you will see in direct on the phone. So you have a direct connection without any delay once again, and you can have a look directly in the mouse on the teeth. one important thing to understand is that you can use several devices at the same time. I mean, you can watch on a computer, you can watch on a tablet or on an external monitor in the same time. So if you need to have if you need to see, for example, for the practitioner or for the owner, separated in two different rooms, it's available, it's possible. There's no problem with this. You can use USB directly on your phone, and you can use with radio frequency on a monitor. No problem. It's working all together. So this option is set to, so with USB, both connectors and softwares for computer or smartphones. The last one, the last option is the monitor. This monitor is a radio frequency monitor. You see those devices. They are useful to keep the signal. Okay. With this, you don't need to use any USB because the radio frequency receiver is directly inserted inside. You just have to, once again, turn on the screen to turn on the camera, and you can watch directly in the mouse. So it's really plug and play. Same criteria. I'm sorry for the quality, but the quality on the screen is really high. On the presentation, on the video, we have some better quality images. I'm sorry for that. I try to do my best to show you. So this is really plug and play. Let's stop, start, just few seconds, and you show directly. Okay. So thank you for your attention. If you have any remarks, any questions, do not hesitate. Write them in the bottom, and we will ask after. Thank you.
Yeah, we have actually, we have one question. So thank you very much for the presentation. I think it made it quite clear that, as I said before, that the quality of the image is really excellent. And of course, it is extremely easy to use. Okay, but we have a question regarding if there is a video, because as Guillaume said, this and Matthias as well, this is the COVID, so we try to do our best. So we haven't been able to do it now on a live animal, but we do have a video which we're going to send you a link of after this presentation, where you will see actually the video on a live animal. And you will see that the quality of the image is even better than what Guillaume showed. And honestly, the image was very good, I thought. But of course, in the mouth of the animal, it's even better. So yes, we will send you a link of a video after that.
We also have some pictures to several cases with periodontics. You see occlusal surfaces with feeding inside the mouth or between the interstitial spaces and so on. So do not hesitate to ask. We could send you some more elements.
I have another question here regarding the LED light. Can it be dimmed? So can it be reduced, the light, the intensity of the light?
No, the intensity of the light is fixed. It's not completely an endoscope. You cannot adjust the quantity of light. It's always fixed with two lights. The lighting could change a little bit between when the battery is fully charged or close to the discharge, but this is the only difference you can see.
How do you, yes, this is a good question. I mean, how do you take still photos versus video?
Oh, yeah, I do not show you directly, but on the monitor you have buttons over there for screenshot or recording. So on the back, on the side, you have over there a socket for SD card. So you could directly push on the button, start and stop for the recording, and you record directly on the SD card. After, you can remove SD card, plug to your laptop, computer, and use the images. Regarding the smartphone or the computer, each of the softwares allows to take pictures and video, and they are directly stored in the device. So then you just have to upload them and to do what you want with them.
Yeah, because we didn't show how to, because as Guillaume said, either you have the software on the SD card, but you have it as well when you download the software. You will see you have a menu on the software, and which is really really easy. Huh? And you go in the top of the menu and you just choose take a picture or take a video. It's as basic as this.
Yeah, that's it.
Really simple. Okay.
So I saw also a question regarding the battery. If the battery is getting low, can you continue working with it? No, you cannot. When the battery is discharged, you need to stop. You cannot use even with the cable. You need to plug in the socket and to charge it. The times required for the charging is around 3 hours, and you can use it. You can use the Dentalscope during more than 2 hours. And we are working on an additional version to increase the lifetime of the battery to be close to 3 hours. Okay, any other question, Pascal?
No, I don't have. Hold on.
Can we, concerning the battery, Guillaume, can you start to charge the battery even if it's down, or you have to wait that the battery is fully down, or you can charge it after 1 hour just to be sure?
You have a small LED on the back. When you turn on the equipment, you have a screening at the beginning. If the battery is fully charged, the light is green. If the battery is less than half of the capacity of the battery, you have kind of flashing during 2 seconds. That's it. Yeah. And when the battery is red, you need to charge. That's it.
Good.
I have some
information.
I have some questions for you. Is there any delay picture if connecting with the video cable to TV screen?
No. You have no delay. If you are working with the USB, the cable, or the radio frequency, you have no delay. It means, of course, you have a small, but it's around 0.1 second. And this is correct. You don't have any delay between when you move. If you have a delay or more than 1 second, it's not useful. But no, you have not such a trouble with that.
I have a question. I think we have answered more or less, but I ask it anyway. So does it work with any software or app found to be downloaded on the internet?
Yeah, it may, because it's working with a radio frequency. So if the software can be adjusted to the right frequency, yes, you can use it. You can use it with any software. But we have made several tests, and we advise to use MCAP for the computer, and we are using OTG for the smartphone. Up to now, both of them are really useful, and I think there is other software available on the system that you can use. Yeah, no problem.
Okay, that's an interesting question as well. What's the minimum? Is there any minimum distance between the tooth and the actual camera?
Yeah, it's an interesting question. I could say more or less 2 centimeters. It's the camera is a really wide angle, and you have 4 lenses on top of the camera. The camera is not equipped with any focus system. It's automatic. Of course, if you are too close, the system cannot adjust. If you are too far, no problem. But the minimum distance is around 2 to 3 centimeters. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Any other questions regarding the camera?
I could add an item regarding the fog. It's always an important question when you are making endoscopy. It's not endoscopy, but it's a kind of beginning endoscopy, I could say. On this device, there is no way to clean the lens. Okay, but we thought that we don't need to. After a few, I could say more or less 1 minute, the temperature on the surface of the lens is quite hot, and after this 1 minute, you remove any risk to create some fog on the surface. Even if you have some, you just need to remove the dental scope from the mouth, clean on the water from the bucket, and to go inside the mouth. It's really easy, and we thought that it's better than to add a complicated design for water cleaning.
Okay, thank you. I've got another question here. Will this dental scope eventually be compatible with Apple products?
No. The product is not available with the iOS system. It's only working with the Android smartphone and Windows 7 or Windows 10 computers. This system is not suited for iOS system.
Okay. Is the scope small enough to get to the back of the mouth to scope the 11th, the back of the mouth?
Yeah, it's an interesting question. The head is quite small, but quite too big to be directly between the upper and the lower 11th. We have designed the shape, the round shape, to avoid any risk to sharp or to make damage, yeah, on the soft tissues. But we need this total 8. So for big horses, no problem to see on the 11th. For small horses or for pony, I think you don't have enough space due to the angle.
What is the height of the...
Yeah,
due to the height.
Thickness. Can you just remind us what the thickness is?
I could show you. Total height is 16 millimeter, and this dimension 14. So 16/8 and large 14.
So it's small, but
It's small,
depending
but
of the horses, perhaps it's
yeah.
not small enough. But for the majority, it's okay.
Okay. Any more questions? Okay, so we've answered all your questions very well. You've got no more question. Everybody wants to buy one.
So you don't need to buy, you will have a free trial.
Okay. Well, if we don't have any more questions, maybe Matthias, you want to add something regarding the dental scope?
No, just to thank you, Pascal, and thank you, Guillaume, for this nice demonstration. Just also to tell you, as Guillaume said, that is not endoscopy. The idea of this product is really focus on ambulatory practice. I will say it's a medium range, good, better, best. So this one is the better. It's not the best image like endoscopy, but it's a good product with a good price dedicated to the ambulatory practice. So that's the idea, offering you this product. Thank you. Anaïs, we are now waiting for the name of the winner of the raffle.
Okay, I'm ready. So
we will have the pleasure to use this dental scope.
Okay, let's proceed to the raffle. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Not yet.
I mean, we can't see the hat.
You can't see the hat.
No.
Okay. Maybe it's.
No, it's okay.
No, it's okay. Okay, fine.
So, and the winner
is da-da-da.
So can you say who with your good accent, Pascal?
Nikki Peinenberg.
Good. Yeah. You are the best.
So congratulations. You've won, like I said, 1 month free trial of this Equine Dentalscope. So you will be able to try it for free, and we look forward to having your feedback on it.
Good. Congratulations. Okay, so it was the first one. I'm sure that we can improve. So if you have any suggestion, please send us an information. So sure that we can improve, but really it was very good. Another time, congratulations to all the team for this organization. And thank you to everybody to join us. We cannot see you, but you are not so far. So thank you very much. And we are waiting you for the next webinar. And also we will have another presentation of a new product, but it's still a secret, so we cannot tell you. But normally in July, at the latest September, we will have another meeting together. Thank you very much. Keep safe. And we are waiting to see you. We hope before the end of the year in a congress or in a wet lab. Take care. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Take care. Stay safe.